It is January 31st, 2020. For the last month, I have been working on learning how to code. And one of the big things that I believe in is competition days. For working out, that's the day where, I test myself on all the different physical activities that I've been working on. So I might do like a push-up contest or see how long I can hold a handstand for. Today, I'm doing a hackathon for coding. I have until the end of the day to build the best product that I can build with an interval timer. And I'm going to be going through, sitting in a room, and just cranking it out to some music like I have been for the last few months, learning how to do it. So, let's get into it. So we've got a ton of stuff to go through today. My goal for the end of the day is that there's going to be a timer app that you can go visit, and you can go and you can at least enter a time and it'll count down from that. That's the minimum goal. I also have bonus goals that I'd love to, if I could achieve. I'd love it if you could set and save time, so that way you could set a routine and could follow through that. I'd love it if you could select moves and have that move name be displayed, so it's not just a countdown timer. And I'd also love it if you could select the moves and it would auto-construct a routine for you based off the moves that you select. Each one of those goals is a little bit higher than the next, but we're going to be using this whiteboard, this brain, and that computer to be able to get it all done.
And we can have 0, 0, 0, 0. There we go. H1 right there.
So I've only ever used Bootstrap on one project before, and that was just following along with the tutorial. I really didn't understand it, and I don't really understand it now. I just know that it can allow you to easily create a simple website that doesn't look terrible. You can just go in here, grab this class copy, which I know controls this. And right now the page looks like this. I believe if I just do something like that, see? Look at that. And it is a simple, lightweight timer, completely open source, completely free. And I'm gonna be using this rather than building my own timer to save me some time. Now, we also have this cool thing right here, which can help me. It seems like it's nothing, seems like it's just like a menu. But take a look at this. Here, that right there, it's a portable standing desk. And no more backstrain. Look at that. I just finished up my first 25-minute Pomodoro session. About to take a break. But I want to show you exactly what we've gotten done so far. Okay, so first things first, the page does not look terrible. Refresh it, it counts down from 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to use View for it because I can put in some simple stuff and it makes a lot of sense to me. And I should be able to have users simply be able to say like 50, hit enter, and then it should start being able to count down from that. That's the next goal. I'm picturing that there is going to be some sort of form field like this. I've got View, right? And what View allows me to do is it allows me to easily control what's displayed on the web page. I can just control what the data says, and then View will handle how it's displayed on the page.
Inventory get updated.
See that you can add that, and it displays it, and it's all just managed right there. There we go. Hi there. Button, I'd like expect to see console log, so right here, the button was clicked. I'm clicking the button though, and nothing's happened. So it's something off with this. It says V on click, button, V on click, V on colon click, equals, maybe spaces are throwing it off? Oh, okay. I thought that it would take, wait. Oh, you know what? I think that this is a problem, is that this is a time input, and this right here is app 5. Okay, and what's the element? Okay, here the element's app 5. So I think I've got to wrap this whole thing in a div so it can actually get to that. Okay, like that. I think it'll work now. Let's go here, submit time. Hey, we're getting buttons. That's something. Warning, reference error, time is not defined. Button was clicked. That's something. Okay, cool. And I'll just comment this out. I want to get it so it displays a 1. Oh, see, it's displaying a 1. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Watch this, ready? 1, and then how many seconds do you want? Let's go for 3 seconds, okay? I typed in a 3 right there. Submit, 2, 1. Crossed off. Blink on finish is next. I could get to blink, but I think I actually wanted to play some sound.
And I found that it actually looks like it's really easy for me to do that. I think I can get it to play some audio. I can get it to play, oh yeah. In fact, we can actually use my voice to do that. That's what we're gonna do. Oh my god, listen to this.
Okay, so I enter 1 second. And I got the sound up, right? The sound is up. And ready?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I have it right now, so it can count down. That time is nicely formatted with this function right here. It takes in a given number of seconds. It'll parse it out, display that on the page, and then everything else is still normal.
I just remembered that it said, oh yeah. I might have to change that, it's a little bit awkward. Oh, I love this so much. This is so much fun. Even things that seem simple are still really scary for me to tackle. Like, I'm worried that I can't do it for some reason. I know I will be able to do it. There's nothing that says I can't do it. I mean, I can get stuff to display on the page. Even if I hard-code it in, I know I can do it. And I know that there are guides and there are examples I can draw from, but still, it's intimidating. 5-minute break before I go work out. I want to push myself hard today. I want to work late. And I saw myself there. I noticed that I wasn't pushing myself as hard as I could. I was zoning out and just daydreaming for a while, which is fine. I should expect that after 4 hours of work that I'm starting to lose a little bit of focus. But I just want to push myself harder. And I wish I could think things through a little bit more. I feel like I need more experience. I feel like I need more guidance. I feel like it's such a big thing, and like when it works, it's so good. But it's like this next step, every single next step, it's like, oh my god. The goal for tonight is that it will be deployed on my website so you guys can go out and see it. It doesn't need to be perfect. It doesn't even need to be fancy. If I can just, and it just loads and it works, I'd be so happy right now. I think I can get there today. I think that even if I add no more functionality to it, and it just says, oh yeah, every time the timer's done, you can just enter a new time, that's still progress. And I'm proud of myself for getting that much done. Good workout done so far. Now we're gonna go get some food. I'm gonna work while I'm at lunch for a little bit. Okay, so I actually worked for a while there. It is dark outside, as you can see through that window, but I got a lot done. I actually made a ton of progress. I completely reworked it. So now it is actually an interval timer, and it allows you to reset. Let me show you. Then watch this. 3, 2, 1, and then the time is up.
Yeah.
I say, oh yeah. And then the next one that's gonna be displayed is 5 seconds. Ready? 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
So good. It is so good. Honestly, I just need to do a few more things to get the move to display properly. And I think I could actually ship this out today. I'm really proud of myself. Kind of got stuck with form validation and trying to fix bugs and getting it to auto advance. And ultimately, I think I ended up making it worse than it was when I started a few hours ago. So I'm gonna call it here for today. I'm gonna work on deploying it.
So just minify all of my JavaScript as I've done right here, copy that, paste that into my HTML, and then everything will just load. And it works on your phone now too? Oh my god. It's an interval timer that I built myself. Look, I am so proud of myself. I can't believe I actually did it. It is just amazing. That's it. That's what I built today. How cool is it? So, it is the end of the day. The timer is up on the website. I am so proud of myself. And let's talk about what's gonna be next. I wanna do this again. I wanna take another month and get better at coding, because I feel like what I did today was really hard. It was on like the border of my limit. I need more guidance on projects so I can build these faster. Because I feel that if someone experienced came in, or myself in like a few years came in, I could build what I built today in maybe an hour,
And I think I'm going to revisit this project in another month. I didn't really think that I was going to love it this much, but I've been thinking about it all day. It's had some challenges. It's made me confront a lot of things I was just terrified to do, and now feel like, okay, I can reason my way through that. I know I can figure it out. Today was a test, and I pushed myself, and I got better because of it. So next month, we'll see what happens there. I'm Jake, and as always, thanks for getting better.